Hey there, little koala. Can you guess how many hours the sleepyhead spends snoozing every single day? If you guessed 10 or maybe 12, you're still way off. Koalas sleep a whopping 18 to 20 hours a day. That means they spend nearly an entire day just napping. No wonder they look so fluffy and cuddly. All that shuddy makes them look extra puffy. But why do they sleep so much? Well, it's because their favorite food, eucalyptus leaves, don't have much nutrition in them. So koalas have to conserve their energy. They get so good at saving energy that even a little trip up and down a tree can make them super tired. And with no natural enemies except humans, they do need to be on the lookout for predators while they hanging out in their cozy trees. That means they can relax and catch some rays without worrying about anything. Okay, next, fact. You might think that koalas are furry little bears, but they're actually not bears at all. Even though everyone calls them koala bears, their real name is just koala. Koalas are part of a special group of animals called marsupials. And you'll probably know another famous marsupial, the kangaroo. Here's a cute fact. Baby kangaroos are also called joeys, just like baby koalas. So if you see a baby kangaroo hopping around, you can call it a little joey too. And if you want to learn more about these amazing marsupials, check out our other videos about kangaroos. We promise it will be a hoot. Now let's get back to those adorable koalas. These fuzzy critters have a special talent. They can munch on eucalyptus leaves and not only survive, but thrive. Other animals can't digest eucalyptus leaves because they're tough and not very nutritious. Plus, they're kind of toxic. But koalas have a superpower. Their guts have special bacteria that break down the toxins so they won't get sick. This means that koalas have a special diet that no other animal can eat. That's right, they're like the one and only eucalyptus munchers of the world. Next fact, koala fingerprints are almost identical to human fingerprints. Scientists had to double-check a set of fingerprints at a crime scene because they could untell if they belonged to a person or a koala. If you look closely at a koala's hand, it has lines just like a human fingerprint. The ridges on their paws help them grip branches and leaves as they munch on their eucalyptus snacks. And here's a fun fact, no two koalas have the same fingerprints, just like humans. How cool is that? Now you know that koalas are not just adorable, they're also mysterious and hard to understand. Their fingerprints are a reminder that nature never ceases to amaze us. No! 5. Koala have slow metabolism, just like their close relative, the sloth. Because eucalyptus leaves are hard to digest, koalas don't get much nutrition from them. Since their food isn't very tasty or filling, they don't use much energy. This means that their metabolism is super slow, just like a sloth's. In fact, their digestion can take 5 to 7 days because their bodies break down the food slowly. To be honest, you wouldn't want to speed up their digestion. The gas that comes out of them could knock you down. That's right. Don't mess with a koala's gas. It's strong stuff. Moving on to fact number 6. Male koalas can make loud noises, even though they look cute and sleepy. During mating season, male koalas call out to find a partner. Their bellows can be heard up to half a mile away. The sound they make is deep and growling, just like a bear. But remember, koalas are not bears. They're marsupials. These cute little animals can make surprisingly loud noises. Maybe their calls sound scary because they only make them when they want to show off to potential partners or warn other males to stay away. Just imagine being scared by the sound of a cute koala. It would be like being startled by a teddy bear. Number 7. When a baby koala is born, it's smaller than a gummy bear. Newborn koalas are called joeys, just like baby kangaroos. When they're born, they're only about the size of a jelly bean, and they don't have any fur or eyelids. Blind and tiny, they have to crawl across their mom's belly to get to her pouch. Once inside the safety of the pouch, they continue to grow and develop until they're ready to be on their own. It is amazing to think that such a small creature can grow up to be so big and fluffy. Baby koalas are completely dependent on their moms for food and warmth, and they stay in the pouch for up to 7 months. When they finally come out, they still wobbly and need lots of help learning how to climb trees and find eucalyptus leaves to eat. Being a new parent isn't easy, even for koalas. Now, let's move on to fact number 8. Koalas are great at keeping cool in the summer, but they need a little help from trees. They love to hug tree trunks because the rough bark helps them get rid of pesky flies and mosquitoes. But the best part is that trees are like natural air conditioners. The thick bark and shade from the leaves help koalas stay cool and comfortable, even when the sun is shining brightly. It's like having your own personal air conditioner, except it's a tree. Now you know why koalas love to hang out on trees. They're not just furry little climbers, they're smart little critters who know how to beat the heat. So next time you see a koala hugging a tree, just know that it's not just a fan of trees. It's also using the tree to stay cool and comfortable. Fact number 9. Each koala has a unique nose that helps them sniff out eucalyptus leaves. Koalas have distinctive noses that make them easily identifiable, just like how you can recognize your friends by their faces. Their nostrils are shaped differently, and some even have little bumps or grooves. It's amazing to think that something so small and simple as a nose can help scientists tell one koala apart from another. If you look closely at a koala's nose, you'll see that it's not just a cute little button. It's a unique identifier that helps scientists study and protect these amazing animals. Finally, fact number 10. Koalas are vulnerable, but people around the world love and protect them. Despite being loved by many, koalas face serious threats, like losing their homes and bushfires destroying their habitats. However, there's hope on the horizon. People work hard to bring them back by helping them find new homes and taking care of them after disasters. Recently, during a devastating wildfire in Australia, brave firefighters rescued thousands of koalas. People everywhere were deeply affected by the plight of these poor animals. And thanks to their efforts, many koalas got to live happy lives thanks to the care of vets and wildlife experts. Some of these koalas have even been released back into the wild. It's important to remember that while koalas are tough, they need our help sometimes. By working together, we can help these amazing creatures thrive for generations to come. So, there you have it. 10 amazing facts about koalas. Did you learn something new? Do you have a favorite fact about koalas? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Koalas are not just adorable, they're also intelligent, resourceful, and surprisingly resilient creatures. What do you love the most about koalas? Tell us in the comments below. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more fun animal videos. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you next time for more animal adventures.